Hi viewers, 5 minutes to plan for next 5 days. It appears Ganpati Bappa came to our homes during the week unnoticed. Similarly, the dollar rupee has also been moving in an unnoticed corridor during the week. But for RBI's continued presence in mopping up the strong inflows, the rupee would have ideally displayed its likelihood to be appreciating, that is, gaining against the dollar. So, the 75 level looks to be what RBI will protect. Then the FOMC minutes in the US chose to stay away from making a forecast on growth. And during the week, the US unemployment numbers have also come in higher. This combination portends to a weak dollar. Again, this reinforces the likelihood of the appreciating bias for rupee against the dollar. The stock markets have witnessed record inflow of close to 34,000 crores from overseas during the 3 weeks of the month itself. Since say mid 2017, this number is a record figure. And rightly so, our governor, RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das, has chosen to flag what Alan Greenspan used to caution the markets, US markets in the later 90s with the words irrational exuberance. Shaktikanta Das has also cautioned, saying the price volatility and upward movement of stock is led by strong inflows. So the market needs to weigh his words of wisdom. The Nifty therefore did not test the 11,300 levels and closed slightly firmly at above 11,300, 11,379 I remember. But the price action that we have been articulating in the last 2 weeks, if we take a change and look at the earnings action during the week, Berger Paints and Glenmark have registered higher than expected or estimated quarterly earnings. And during the week going forward, more quarterly results are also expected. The options volatility, VIX 50 futures was hovering around the same 20 number. But next Thursday, the August futures and options are due for expiry, and therefore some volatility can be expected. The debt market 10-year benchmark rose, the yield rose by 8 basis points during the week. So this gradual firming up of rates can be taken as a cue of a likely upward movement of interest rates because the inflation number remains elevated. Though RBI governor has given out a conviction that he has monetary policy space to act, the market may not have so much conviction about the efficacy as well as his capacity to go on a continuous cutting of repo rates. That is why this upward bias we are witnessing in the interest rate scenario. The seesaw, the interesting seesaw between irrational exuberance, famous words which Alan Greenspan used, and rational despondency, we have always seen in the markets. And going ahead, we will again try to see how interesting this seesaw works between the despondence and the exuberance. Have an interesting week ahead. Thank you.